What's up and welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a walk around on a 1989 GMC. This is a Studebaker kit. It's got a believed to be 350 under the hood. We've got disc brakes on the front. This thing is wild. Lots of time invested in this one. I'm gonna be walking around pointing out any kind of flaws, that way you know what you're getting before you get here. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I post videos every day and I've got a ton coming your way. You can also go to maplemotors.com. We got finance and shipping information. All of our inventory is updated every Monday. And we have 100 detailed pictures of all our rides. If you're new to the channel here, we post test drives and walkarounds of each individual car. So you can look for the test drive at the end of this one, about the last 30 seconds. Let's get started here. Went ahead and popped the hood open just to make things easier. It is all customized with the paint job. We will be shutting that down towards the end of the video. You can see the headlights mounted in there, the grill. It's even got art on the inside. Looks like the AC compressor's there. We'll be trying it out. Power steering, aluminum radiator, electric fans, good tires. Let's go ahead and start down the side of this vehicle. Right off the bat, you can see a little scratch mark, and that's probably where the hood was coming down at one time. And they ended up setting up tracks and stuff on here. It does come down pretty easy. Do got a little touch-up mark there. Coming up here, you got ghost flames all inside the paint. There's like a sun there. There's all kinds of stuff hidden in this paint job everywhere. It's wild. I don't know if you could see that skull. There's like a skull on the side of it there. There's a couple little scuff marks down here where people are getting in and out of the ride. The trim's a little low back here in the corner. This thing's crazy, guys. Lost cause. It's got money in the background of it. Got the wooden bed. It's in pretty good shape. Treasure chest. That holds your battery. It's also got a kill switch inside there where you can undo it. Keep people from stealing your ride. I don't know why you'd steal this. Everybody would know where this thing is. Look at it. You'd have to completely change it. It's wild. It's got the same little scratches over here on this side. There's not really too many imperfections on the paint, like chips and scratches or dents. Seems like a pretty straightforward truck here. Before I shut this hood, I'm going to start her up. We'll check the interior out real quick. It's got some aftermarket seats. The dash has been all done. They shaved the door handles on it. You can see even in the door jamb, the art keeps going. Look at that. Door panels custom, and the door jamb coming on the outside here. You got some speakers, a custom dash, steering wheel. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? You got harnesses. Headliner's in good shape. Custom mirror. The dash is all done up. Looks like it's got air ride. Trying these switches out down here, see what they do. Believe that's going to be for your heat and air. There's no instructions on it, so I'm kind of moving it around, see if I can get it to kick on. You've got some extra pieces down here for some panels. I guess something's off somewhere. Your glove box, they took that out completely. Trying some of these switches. I bet you it's got neons and stuff. I wouldn't doubt it at all. It's your interior lights. Wipers will be working, but they didn't put any blades on it. You can see the little knob moving around down here though. All right, we're gonna keep discovering stuff. This actually goes up under the dash here. You can see where it cut it or was in there before, and it just Velcros back on. All right. This one's definitely got a gear drive in it. We can shut this down. This thing's looking wild, guys. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and give you some undercarriage shots. We're gonna start up in the front, go all the way around the vehicle, and then we're gonna get the hood adjusted and set down right, and take off for a test drive and see how she runs and drives down the road. We've also got detailed pictures at maplemotors.com, so be sure to go on there and check that out. There is some imperfections right here at the bottom. Inside of there. Try not to miss anything here. Let's look up under this one. All right, guys, I appreciate you watching. Be looking for the test drive video. We're getting ready to take off in this one and see how she runs and drives. You can locate that the last 30 seconds of this video. Jump on over to maplemotors.com for close to 100 detailed pictures, wheels, tires, parts, accessories, financing, and shipping options. I do appreciate y'all watching, and thank you. I'll see you next time, guys. Later.